Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in case you haven't noticed, I'm very glammed up today. I created this makeup look using the brand new Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette from Too Faced, appropriate for the holidays, no. And so if you guys want to see the look that I created with this palette, then just keep on watching. It is the holiday season. I am here. I am ready for it. I am wearing sequins. You guys, can you tell this is my favorite time of year? It's my favorite time of year. I'm doing a very special collaboration with my friend Chelsea of Glam Girl Chelsea. If you guys don't follow her yet, you need to go check her out. Her channel is so amazing. I love watching her videos. Her personality is just like so sweet. It comes through in her videos. We were chatting and we both got this palette. We decided to do a little collaboration, doing our own interpretations of the palette, our own eye looks. So if you want to see her look, you have to make sure to go check out her channel, and I'll also have her linked below so that you can go find her easily that way as well. Before we even get started, you know what I'm going to say. Hit the red subscribe button. Make my day. It's Christmas. It's a free way for you to give me a Christmas gift. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're feeling real spicy, hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, if you want to see more of me every day, in and out, my life, what I'm doing, me with no makeup on, being crazy at home, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will put my handle right up here or here, whichever side it goes, I don't know. So before I get into it, I just have to give a quick shout out to Too Faced. They sent me this collection, their Gingerbread Christmas collection, as a PR, and I had no idea it was part of their PR list. That was a fun surprise to get. So I got the regular gingerbread palette, which is amazing in and of itself. They sent obviously the extra spicy one, which you guys will see more of in a minute, but there's that. They also sent me the gingerbread tan bronzer. Look at that little gingerbread man in there, it's so freaking cute. They also sent this awesome like body shimmer stuff, which is so pretty. This is like the inside. It comes with this little pink puff thing that you apply it with. Just gonna like dust some on because like you can never be too shimmery in the holidays, right? It also smells incredible. It smells like cookies, like gingerbread cookies, like as it should, because it's the gingerbread collection. So that makes me feel very extra. Also sent over a couple of matte colors in the collection in Gingerbread Girl and Gingerbread Man. I'm not using them with this look just because I really wanted a red lip, but these are beautiful. I've swatched them and I can't wait to use these in future looks. Thank you to Too Faced for gifting me all this amazing stuff. Love you. Let's get into the look so you guys can see how I created this. Let's get started. Already done my face, my foundation, my concealer, my blush, bronzer, highlight, some of the highlight, I might add more later, and my contouring. So all that really is left to do is the eyes, because that's what you guys are here for, right? Always start my eye looks off with my Urban Decay primer potion. It's my favorite. So if you have a different primer potion that you think works better, let me know down below. I'm always open to trying new ones. First thing, I take vanilla wafers with a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. With a different fluffy brush, I'm gonna do a transition color, and I think I'm going to grab In a Pinch as my transition shade. Love it. It's very like bright and kind of orangey. I love like orangey warm shadows. Just gonna work that into the crease. And I'm not gonna be too careful really because gonna cut it later. I'm going for like a high impact color here, so just work that color up in the crease. My voice sounds so fabulous, guys. Perfect. Next, to sort of like define the crease a bit more, I'm gonna get a little bit darker. I'm gonna use Gingerbread Glam with another brush that's a bit more precise. This one is the Sigma Firm Blender E44. One of the few brushes that I own that I actually like know what it's called, because most of them are just random brushes, to be honest. I like this brush because it's very precise for things like this. All right, now that we've got that darker color more deep into the crease, I'm gonna take that same brush and dip into this color right here, which is this dark brown color. And I'm just gonna try to get even more definition in there. Okay, so now it's really starting to get a bit darker. Now it is time to cut the crease. So I'm gonna use an actual paintbrush, which is a brilliant idea that another YouTuber that I follow, Yessie, did in one of her videos, and I tried it and it really worked for me too. I was really bad at cut creases, to be honest, and this actually really helps me be a little bit more precise. So I'm gonna take what's left of my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. It's almost gone. Let's see if I can even like get anything out of this. I like this because it's so small, so you can really like be extremely precise. All right, now that that is cut, I'm gonna take Cookie Cutter, which is this really pretty iridescent-y, goldy, pinky type of shade. And I'm gonna pack that onto my lid. Put some setting spray on my brush to hopefully help make it a little bit more high impact color-wise, the payoff. Just gonna pack that into the lid. So pretty. I mean, I don't know if it's really showing on the camera, but it is absolutely a stunning color. I'm gonna put a little bit of it in my inner corner. Next, to kind of bring a little bit of dimension back to this, we're gonna go with the color right underneath it, which is Spicy Miami. I'm gonna just sort of pack that on to the outer part of the lid to give it a little bit more definition. Go a little bit too far over, just take a little bit more of Cookie Cutter and just blend in back into it. Now, because I'm not the greatest ever at the cut crease thing yet, I got a little bit of concealer kind of where I wanted that darker color to be, so I'm just gonna fix that really quick. So now to sort of make everything pop a little bit more, I'm gonna take this color, which is Hot Tamale, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just dip into it lightly and sort of blend that lightly up right on my brow bone. Just makes a little bit of a difference, like a little bit of like a uptick of the color. And then then last but not least, to finish it off, I'm just gonna take vanilla wafers and with like a little packing type of brush, just gonna put that right up in my brow bone area, or sorry, right up in my eyebrows. A little bit out here in the inner corner. Cannot speak today, oh my god. All right, so that is eye number 1. I'm gonna do eye 2 off camera and I will be right back. All right, I have both eyes done. Of course, the one that I did off camera turned out much more like how I wanted it to. Isn't that always how it goes? So to sort of finish with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna just take a little angled brush here and I'm gonna do a little bit of the in a pinch underneath the eye. And then a little bit of the cookie cutter. Just give it some sparkle. Some sparkle, darling. It is the holiday season. Okay, so we're done with the palette. I do my brows. I know a lot of people do their brows first, and I honestly don't know why, because I feel like with my brows, like I get eyeshadow and stuff on them while I'm doing my look, so it's better to do them last. That way they look crispy, you know what I mean? Gonna be a makeup look by me if I didn't put a winged eyeliner on, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, next for the lashes, I'm going to go ahead and use these Sephora lashes that I've had in my drawer for a million years. They look like a lot of fun and very dramatic. Everything is ready. All I have left to do are the lips. Of course, being a holiday look, I'm gonna go for a red lip. I just got in a bunch of these lip colors from Pop Beauty today in their PR, and they claim that they're permanent, that they don't come off. So I'm gonna try this one. It's Red Velvet, and I will let you guys know in the description box how, like, the staying power of this lip color, if it really is gonna live up to its claims, because I'm always looking for a good lip that dries down, that doesn't move or transfer. So look in the description box if you want to see like what my thoughts were on wearing this. Well, that about completes the look. What do you guys think? It is very glam. I love this eye look. It's so pretty and just like extra for the holiday season. It would go perfect with so many different holiday looks. And I am feeling ready for a party. I might go to one tonight. We'll see how my voice holds up. I just have to say thank you again so much to Too Faced for sending me this PR package. You made Christmas come early for me. These palettes are so beautiful. Thank you so much. And also thank you to my friend Chelsea for agreeing to do this collab with me. And you guys have to make sure that you go check out her video because she's creating her own look, remember? So if you want to see a different look, a different take on this palette, I will link her video right up here, and I'll also link her down in the description box below so that you can go see her video and give her a subscribe because she is amazing and you're absolutely going to love her channel. Thank you again so much for watching, and until next time, bye.